Alright, everyone. We're gonna get a ranked match in here. And we're gonna be spamming Vanessa for a while. I want to try and master each of them as we go, ideally. And just see where we go from there. Hope everyone's having a happy November as we get closer to Thanksgiving or Turkey Day. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. I can't wait till this game gets optimized where I don't need to, like, restart on every go where it's not glitching. It is your only weapon. I want to go for an ammo build. That's the play. Or that's what I want to do. Sells items. Let's see what items you got for me.
Now, if that doesn't work out for you, come back for a refund. So,
I will pick that
how
up
about this
and
weather
just see
Oh, you're leaving.
where we go from there. Probably don't need the extra 10. If I pick that up, then we'll just do that. Then we'll fight the Viper. Regen doesn't hurt since it seems like Vanessa can potentially get a lot of it.
Was that even a battle? Maybe a skirmish.
Well, that's already not ideal. Probably should pick the other one up now. Sells bronze items. You find an abandoned chest. Let's get the abandoned chest and get the XP. And then, what spare weapons do we got?
I will share mine with you.
Ah, that's not ideal at all. Man, that blows real bad. I don't want to pick up any of these.
If you seek the violent path, Ayla.
That's unfortunate.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago.
Probably
Go
should have
ahead,
tried picking up weapons
underestimate
now.
me. It makes this more fun. Bring her about! I've got another salve.
I guess I could have expected to get the kid at some point in time. I'd rather
I
not
paint
waste.
my ship red. Ah,
I was
place to
hoping
store
for
the
like
rest of the
weightlifting or
tyrant's
something.
gold.
Sale, no sale. I want what's right for you.
Let's refresh.
I used to offer a
Pick
free
that
ride home,
up for now.
but people thought it was weird.
Then that would be interesting. Don't really want any of those. Can find the abandoned cave again. Get a small friend. Let's do the abandoned chest or cave. And then I don't think I beat him because he's got shields. I need to make sure I'm getting the experience. This one I should win. Yeah, so I'm good here. Ooh, pickpocket's pretty cool. Oh, actually, he might win. Yeah, he wins. No! Oh, no, I'm good.
The rookery remembers.
Oh, we tied. That's weird. That's a very weird
It's over
situation.
already.
And I got pickpocket.
Another
Crazy.
empty chest,
You
waiting
left
to be
most.
filled.
Ooh. Sell small items, get an item.
If you have to ask the price, you can't afford it.
But I don't want any of those. Okay.
Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless.
Then I can do that. What does the stranger give? It's green heart. Alright, let's gain a skill. Let's see. Wow. It does not want me to get ammo skills. Alright, I am back.
My fight isn't with you,
Dang.
but if you insist.
I am not winning on the anvil. Shoot. Any of the damage items,
Lamb
I guess, would
legs
be
make
nice.
you predictable. You move in straight lines.
Sells weapons. I almost don't want to get.
My battle days are over, but my weapons crave more. Go make some more stories, then come
Okay.
back and tell me. Enjoy the thrill of battle. While you can.
We'll keep honing steel. I mean, that's 2 damage. It might not be bad to potentially have that one in a pocket.
Use it well.
Make me proud.
I have no money, so I'd rather just get a random item. So, and then that's 2040. I want that there. Then I don't think I beat him though, but he would have something like I would. I don't think he shields. Let's see. I don't think that. That was the play. But the gunpowder would have been nice if I could have gotten that.
Barely
Oh,
see.
now I get ammo skills. Okay. Max. Ooh, I like that one a lot. You use an ammo item, burn 3. That's pretty good too. This is sufficient for now. Oh, it didn't buff those because they weren't there. Shoot. Get another weapon item.
Ah, place to store the rest of the tyrant's gold.
Get a weapon. Get 2 experience. Oh, cool. So it's just whatever is there. And then I could do that. Let's get a weapon. That's pretty good too. Let's go stupid damage. And then what we can do, we'll just rearrange these. So boom, boom. And then
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms.
so we'll see how this goes. Was this nerfed? Because I feel like I never see it like do a lot of silly damage anymore.
You fall like a boulder. I flow like the waves.
Get some chocolate bars, get an item. Let's get the bronze
You
teeth
see
stuff.
landfill? I see buried treasure.
Sell this, your weapons gain 4 damage. Boom.
Well, you're doing your part to clean up the bazaar.
That's not worth nothing. That's pretty good. So boom. Then boom.
Warms my rusty circuits to see that find a home. Hooey! Now that's a bargain.
I can work on the docks. That's perfect. Get a weapon, get a tool, get a shield. Oh, and then I can... Yes! That is ideal. And now if I can kill him, that would be swell.
Speaks. Tells me to hurt
The tyrant king
Yes.
will not be pleased.
Waste of gunpowder.
Okay.
Another empty chest, waiting to be filled.
Get an ammo item, upgrade your levels. Let's get an ammo. Boom.
Haha! Now this
And then-
will inspire the crew.
Let's put that there. Let's put this here. Whoop. Then. And then that way we can still get that astrological thingy. Teaches skills with high chance of upgrade. Oh yes, this is exactly what we would
The
have
keener
wanted.
the blade, the quicker the fight.
Now, let's see what's
Take your time.
Let's get
I'm pretty
this.
laid back.
Javelin. When you haste, reload this for 1. But I don't really have haste.
You might try JJ's shop.
Real friendly. We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies.
I think I need that aquatic gun. That one was a really good one. I don't think I bought this one. Let's see. That looks like oh no, he out damages me. He poisons me to death.
Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
Sells items. You find an abandoned chest. Sells items.
Ah, a friend. I mean, a customer.
I think I'd rather have this.
Do you have to leave already?
I think I'll pick that up.
Ah, now this will inspire the crew.
Because this needs to be like this. Then what we can do is we can do this. We can potentially leave it there. Get an aquatic item. Out of that ain't nothing. Then maybe
You face a
putting those
graduate
inside
of the
something.
Fueling Academy. Tremble! But
Oh, and now if I could
read
get
the
fire
art of
bullets,
the
that would
duel.
be pretty neat.
Pathetic. As spineless as
Okay.
a jellyfish.
Get an ammo item. Grape shot. Work in docks, sells silver tier items. Let's work in the docks. Get a weapon. Oh yeah, that's right. Don't want poison skills.
I'm
Do
finished
see
with
if we
fighting,
can't upgrade a
but
weapon.
I can help you finish a fight.
Man, that's what you want. That's the item. Oh, man. Boom. Choo. I don't know. Could sell this. That would take away from it, I would think.
Nufo teaches stillness. I prefer action.
Use another item, just reload something. Maybe that. But how quick is Grape Shot? It's like 3 seconds. 4, 4, 4, 4.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago.
So this should be going in. But now,
Bravery without strength is a sword.
so now I might need to focus on HE and skills.
You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
I forget what Mountain Pass gives me. Get to income. Income's nice. Get an aquatic item, gain 2 XP, get a friend. Get 2 XP. Now I think I can beat some of the bigger dudes. So that will do the big damage.
See that plank?
I
Walk
need
it.
nothing. Get an aquatic item, sells tools. Get some chocolate bars. Become a bazaar. Ooh, when you use an ammo item, deal 15 damage. Use ammo. This is a little tricky. Use an animal, deal 15 damage. So we'll see how that pans out.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist.
So I just need blood skills. If I can get ammo skills,
All cannon, no ball.
fight a monster, get a small aquatic cells, weapons. Fight a monster.
I will rule
Ooh,
the
I
ashes.
don't think I win that. Oh, yeah,
An endless fire, unquenchable.
Waste of gunpowder.
when you burn your items gain 2. Ooh, now if I get a crit thing, I'd be like really squared away.
Little sentients love shops, so I opened one.
You have a tool ammo prop here for end to cast. That's not the one, I don't think. There's one that gives ammo. Okay.
I
It's
will
fine.
be there long after you are gone.
I don't
and
know
so
if I
will
beat
I.
Radiant Corsair, but we can try.
The whole bazaar will be my nest.
I think I win. Oh no. I don't. Screw.
He'd fight worse than you crash.
But I at least got 1 gold. I forgot he does that.
My ship, my failure. My will to get stronger. Ooh, the keener the blade, the quicker the fight.
Sells items.
The bazaar's a crazy place,
Oh,
right?
excellent.
Haha! Now this will inspire the crew.
Now, gumballs. Gumballs are crucial here, so I can at least buff myself. And we're gonna 1, 2, 3. If I can get like a few ammo skills, that'll really be what kind of completes what I got going on here.
Go ahead, underestimate me. It makes this more fun.
Oh wow. So that's what they use it doesn't work. Yes. I got off just a little bit on the sooner.
Bravery without strength is a sword without a blade.
There is some coins, those large items. What would be cool? Was this 3 and 4? Three. I need to do that. I need to buy
You
skills.
have great potential.
Let me train.
Damn. Deals 9 damage.
The bazaar is a rabid beast.
So let's do
Be
this.
its master.
I don't know if that's more ideal, but I don't. Do I beat Vortex? Let's do this guy. I want to make sure I get the XP. There's too many times I haven't gotten it. But now I'm probably getting this more, which is actually.
Pathetic. As spineless as a jellyfish.
That's an ammo item, so it's 2 items for 6 seconds. Wow. Upgrade your leftmost weapon. There's 10% max health, gain 10 damage and 5 crit. Burn, gains 1 burn. So let's put him there. Upgrade my leftmost weapon.
Ooh, the keener the blade, the quicker the fight.
And then you'll sell mediums.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does.
Ooh. Pick that up, maybe.
If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
That sounds cool. Tier items. Upgrade my weapons.
Every item finds its buyer.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms.
That's not bad.
I paint my ship red, but I don't use paint.
And this is ranked. I'm actually going pretty far with this, which is crazy to me.
Reuse, recycle, relax.
So that's just gonna like smack me down.
That's been sitting there 20 years, waiting for you.
I'm not gonna pick that up at this stage.
Trash is tragedy. Reuse everything.
Oh yeah, so. Spare change. We'll fight the Blood Reef Captain.
Ye look
He's
like
probably who I need to
top
fight.
scum to me. Do your worst, dirt lover.
Was that even a battle?
Ooh.
Maybe
your
a
cooldowns are
skirmish.
Your vehicle. Use what I do. Okay, so upgrade your leftmost item.
Ah, now this will inspire the crew.
Gumballs is the play. Then hopefully I get something. Two. Then I need skills. It's gonna really come down to the skills I get. The poison item sells large items. That's
Welcome in, hon. What can I get you?
nope.
You leave it behind? Someone else?
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago.
Man, I wish I got that earlier.
You fall like a boulder.
Okay, so that did that
flow
crit
like
build.
the waves.
Like my crew says
I
at the
wonder
bar.
why I don't think
Another round!
I did it last time. Gumballs. Let's play again. 1, 2, 3, 5. If I could get haste, it'd be pretty swell. Good haste skill. That's not gonna help. Leftmost item has haste. Use your leftmost item. An item. First time you haste each fight. 6 seconds. First time you use your leftmost item, haste an item for 1 second. That is interesting. And then that'll buff it a little more, I guess. A little bit. What has the shortest cooldown? Well, this is gonna probably be repeating almost. When you use an ammo item, deals 6 damage. Use this. So that's probably play. Yeah. Does he have anything I want? I need to pay attention to this next time. No, I don't need that. It's a lot of shields too. Yeah. Oh yeah, I don't need it. Almost actually though. But now that's a big waste.
It's just one battle. Plenty more coming.
Get a haste item. Buy experience for the right price.
Whose tea can I spill for you? Don't tell anyone I told you.
Friend. Weapons.
My fight isn't with
I
you,
need a little
but
more
if
ammo
you
belts. We're
insist.
not getting lucky. This was at least we Nice, nice. I just blew them up. I'll take that. This is like becoming very interesting. There's just a
Landlegs
few
make you
more things I need to
predictable.
make this build like
You move
actually
in
nice.
straight lines.
Multicast. Sells ammo skills, yes. Mr. C4. When you crit with item, reload another item. Use ammo item. Ooh. I don't know. Don't need the burn. You use an amp. Well, that'll put a lot of burn on fast. I think that's a little more ideal. And then I'm gonna make sure I get the
You're
XP.
interrupting my experiment.
So now, if I got the burn,
Blast. Not enough
I
business in
didn't
the
think that
antimony.
through. That's okay.
It's over already.
Oh,
We
when
barely
you
got
use
our
a tool
flags
reload
up.
one adjacent item. I don't got tools. That's the most item. Get an ammo item.
Reward the peaceful, punish the warful.
Ah, that's tricky. I'll pick it up.
You're not ready to accept
Gumballs.
the light,
That's the play.
and that's okay.
I totally forgot about that. That probably was a smarter play. But if I can get 10,
Go ahead,
8% is bad, that's
underestimate.
what I'm trying to say.
It makes this more fun.
Oh, Lord. Jesus. Yeah, I'm not being that.
Time is a solid gem, flecked with
Chat item with crit
glittering
effects. Oh, Lord. Ooh. That's perfect. So where is it? Oh, that's when you use the tool reload. You crit with an item, reload another item. Let's do this. 'Cause
I
that's the one
won't
that,
fall.
Like, uses
My people need me.
regen doesn't help. But maybe a medium item.
Nothing tiny,
Medium.
nothing huge. All about moderation. Hey, that's okay.
Skills.
My lessons are painful. Are you prepared?
When you freeze, reload an item. You burn, but I got no burn. Oh, but if I go boom, I do at least have one burn. but it's on 3.8. So I think I'd rather have this. I think that's better. 40 damage. Let's see. Ooh, that's nasty.
I care living for gold. Your enlightenment
Now,
is my reward.
we're cooking grease. I don't think it's worth it. But if I get 3 XP, yeah. Can I? Though.
We fight!
Let's see.
Ain't good!
Yes.
Make stronger!
Was that even a battle? Maybe a skirmish.
Your leftmost and gains max ammo. That's probably the play. I've never tried risking coin. What does that give me? Gain 5 to 10, gain 2 to 4. Boom. That's probably better. Sells free skills. Get a small weapon. Sell some small items.
I would never debase my wares by haggling. Ugh.
Ooh, the keener the blade, the quicker the fight.
Alright. And then crits 42.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of
This will be
storms.
interesting. Oh no, I lose. I'm sure.
I paint my shit red, but I don't.
Dang.
Read the tides and listen to the
That's a
wind.
pretty good effort,
They
though.
will guide
At least
your
with 2
stride.
chests. Oh, man. Well, thanks for joining me on that one. That was a pretty interesting run, that go-around. Alright, gentlemen. Hopefully you guys enjoy the build-up to Turkey Day. I'll see y'all later.